On November 2nd, 1772, amid rising tension with Great Britain, Boston colonists formed the Boston Committees of Correspondence. By 1774, they had what had started as a local means of mobilizing support for the Patriot cause had grown into something far more. So the entire thing is a subject, believe it or not. So this whole thing here is a subject. Wow, that's a big one. We have verb here, had grown. That's a past participle. This is a past perfect tense, and usually we say this when we have a past reference, like the 1774, and this past perfect is telling us what has started as a local means. The whole thing what has started in the prior to 1774, and probably up until 1774. So that entire thing is a subject, and we have verb into something far more extensive, a network of such committees that facilitating communication among colonies helped. What you guys need to pay attention is that we have a present participle phrase, facilitating, and that second non-essential element you can remove. So if you get rid of that parenthesis, we have network of such committees that helped. What we really have is the dependent clause that. So even though we get verb here, this that is referring to committee. So this is simply from the blank until the end. We do not have a sentence. We do not have a clause. So if you know now that it doesn't have a clause, we cannot choose a semicolon because semicolon connects the two independent clauses. So B is out. And I told you that this network of such committees is simply a noun phrase that cannot stand by itself. So it would cause a fragment here in choice D. So D is out. Okay. So and B, we have a fragment for semicolon as well. And choice C, extensive, comma, it was, that's a comma splice. So you could also get the answer A by process of elimination. But why is the choice A good one? Choice A is good because we have a colon, and colon is practical when you have an independent clause, which I showed you earlier, subject and verb. What has started had grown into something far more extensive, and then we have a colon, and after that we give a further explanation. Not just a local means of mobilization support for the Patriot cause, but something we add more, or something we emphasize, amplifies the message that extensive network, or I'm sorry, a network of such committees that facilitating communication among the colonies help lay the groundwork for the Continental Congress. We go further explanation that what had grown into something far more extensive. Therefore, the answer is A.